Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Van Buren local and long-distance movers near me. By ensuring that our customers' belongings are in competent hands, 3 Movers, as a moving company, aims to reduce the stress of their relocations. We work hard to make our customers' moving experiences fun and stress-free. Residential movers in Van Buren, Arkansas. Customers moving to any neighboring place can take advantage of 3 Movers residential moving services. You can count on us to transport your luggage in good condition and schedule it to Van Buren, Arkansas. We can efficiently plan your move regardless of your landlord, renter, or student status. Our shipping services are not only cost-effective, but also of excellent quality. Flat and hourly rate movers in Van Buren, Arkansas. Customers looking for affordable moving costs are usually drawn to moving companies with low charges, but this could mean that their services will be of poorer quality. You can pay flat fees or hourly rates for your moving expenses. However, there is no assurance that a flat payment will cover all services. Therefore, it is crucial to carefully consider the moving company's costs. Moving firms may charge you more if you choose a flat rate because they cannot provide you with an exact estimate. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Van Buren moving businesses offer extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.